Hello viewers, I'm showing you something like in the data flows. You can see here, I have taken two files. One is student labels and student values. Here we have same data, but here for the option set I have taken labels. And for values, I have taken instead of label, I am taken values. That's it. Everything is same. Okay. Let's check. I have observed few observation. I want to show you people too. Okay, let's go. Let's go to make.powerapp.com. Here I want to create one data flow, which is I will go with some student labels, same like as and labels create. This is the day 3 video. If you want to check more, then you can go for day 1 and data flow introduction video also. You can click upload file, and now we are going with labels, right? So I'm going with labels. Sign in. Now I have signed in. I'm going for next. Yeah, my student labels is MMFF. Right here I'm taking option set labels, and you can see in the advanced find I don't have any records. Transform data. You can check the last step. Our data is valid or not. You can see everything is shown, nothing error, so it is valid. So click on next. If you click on this box, it will avoid duplicates. But right now I'm not going with this. So load to existing table. I'm going with student table as usual. And we need to map. I am mapping age to age and class section to class and gender to gender and name to name as usual. If you want to make any field as primary key, then you can select here. But right now it was showing only student ID, but I'm not having any student grid ID type of things in the Excel, so I'm not going with that. I'm going with refresh manually, so publish now. Now it was published, and I'm going for next refresh. Refresh nothing but it was creating. So few things, so I want to show you. Now I am created records with upset labels. Yeah, now it's done. You can see also, yes, show refresh history. It will show everything here. You can see it was created 4 records. So go to advanced find and click on refresh. You can see means it was allowing to create with option set labels. So now you can see now I am uploading. I am editing it and I am changing the file. Instead of label, I am going with mm, upload a file and browse it, and I'm going with absolutely. Now I'm going with values. Okay, now it was uploaded successfully. Now just go to this step, it will show everything is fine. So click on next. Already mapped, so go for publish. Once in progress is completed, our records will be created. We are not done any checkbox there, so it will allow duplicates. So now the record count will be 8. Okay, now it's completed. Now go to advanced find, refresh it. Now we can see it was created four more records, means it was allowing labels and after that values, right? Now see, I am creating one more data flow. Now it was student value. Previous is labels, right? So we are going with values. Okay, values. Now with values, click on next. We need to map again here because this is a new one, right? So we need to map again. Now also the records will be created. Yeah, now it's done. So now check the count is it was will be 12, right? Okay. Now say I'm going for edit and I am going with values to labels. Now I'm selecting labels. Uploaded. You can see here whenever we are going with our values to labels, it was giving some error here. But whenever we are going with labels to values, it was not giving any error. So whenever you are going, we are getting like what I'm telling you, like first of all we are going with values and if we are going with labels, so you need to check this one. Otherwise it will give an error. Whenever you are going with first you are going with labels and next you are going with values, then there is no issue. Okay. So whenever you are going with values and later you go with labels, you need to check this one. Whenever it was giving an error like this, just so you can go here, select this, cancel, select this and replace values. So this step is insert, give m, you can give 0. Same like for f, you can give 1. Like this also we can avoid this error. So whenever you are getting some error value, please check the table. I'm gonna show you this one from this video. Thanks for watching. So whenever you are migrating values after labels, so please check that error issue. Okay, now I am replaced with the same with instead of labels we are playing with values. So now it will import the data. You can see now we have only 12 records. It will move to 16 records. And I will show you how to the duplicate like direction, right? If anyone missing in the previous video, you can check here also. Yeah, now publish is done, refresh is done. Now go to advanced find and check. Now record will be 16. So like this, you can ignore the issue. Okay, now let's go to edit. Now we have 16 records, right? Let's see. I'm clicking on delete rows. It will remove the duplicates. Right now we are having all are same records, but we're having instead of 4 we're having 16 records. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what is the count. Now it was 16. After refresh, let's check what is it deleting duplicates or not. Yeah, it's done. Now I'm going to see. Now we have 16. Let's see after refresh. See, it was 4. So you can no need to worry about duplicates.